What's up guys, today's video is on the new OnePlus Open smartphone. Is this the best foldable device on the market? Let's find out. Before starting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. So, now let's get started. The OnePlus Open Phone's packaging is a reflection of OnePlus' dedication to providing a premium unboxing experience. The box itself is designed with a minimalist approach, featuring a subtle embossed OnePlus logo that sets the tone for what's to come. When you open the box, you will find that the phone and accessories are placed in a way that feels like opening a treasure chest. The phone is nested within a precisely cut soft fabric lining, invoking a sense of luxury. Underneath the phone, you will discover the USB-C charging cable. This isn't your average cable, it's durable, and signature red cable management adds to a touch of class. There's also a quick guide that concerns and user-friendly, making the setup processes a breeze even for those new to the OnePlus ecosystem. The OnePlus Open Phone is not just a smartphone, it's a masterpiece of design and engineering. At an astonishing 7.9 mm thin, it's one of the slimest phones in its class. The thin profile contributes to its sleek aesthetics and ergonomic feel in the hand. The phone case is formed from a robust aluminum frame, ensuring structural integrity and reliability. What truly sets the OnePlus Open Phone apart is its back panel. It's constructed from the latest Corning Gorilla Glass, not only including a premium experience but also offering exceptional resistance to scratches. This glass back is further treated to provide a matte finish that's not only silky to touch but also offers a secure grip, reducing the risk of accidental drops. The OnePlus Open Phone's display is technological marvel. It features a 6.7-inch Fluid AMOLED screen with 3216x1440 resolution. This high resolution ensures that the average pixel is packed with details, resulting in the incredibly sharp and vibrant visual experience. What's more, it's HDR10 Plus certified, delivering an unmatched dynamic range of media consumption. The 120Hz refresh rate is game changer, guaranteeing buttery smooth scrolling and seamlessly animation. It doesn't stop there. This display dynamically adjusts its refresh rate to save battery life when high refresh applications aren't in use. The color accuracy on this display is impeccable, making it ideal for content creators, gamers, and anyone who values impeccable visual quality. Beneath the hood of OnePlus Open Phone resides the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 series processor, delivering incredible performance that's among the best in the industry. When paired up with 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM, this phone stands ready for anything you throw it. However, it's not just about RAM power. OnePlus has optimized OxygenOS to offer a seamless and responsive user experience. Multitasking is a breeze and adds open with lightning speed. The phone also boasts an efficient cooling system that ensures it cools even during marathon gaming sessions, guaranteeing consistently high performance. Photography escape, prepare to be impressed. The OnePlus Open Phones boast a versatile tripod camera system that's perfect for every scenario. The primary camera features 48MP IMX586 sensor, delivering jaw-dropping details and sharpness, whether you are capturing a picture-square landscape or an intricate close-up shot. The 16MP ultra-wide camera provides an entirely new perspective, ideal for capturing voice and wide-angle shot. But what sets this camera apart is the 5MP macro lens, allowing you to get up close and personal with your subjects, unveiling the intricate details that often go unnoticed. OxygenOS, OnePlus custom Android skin, is renowned for its clean, uncluttered. The OnePlus Open Phone runs OxygenOS, now based on Android 12, the latest Android version. The interface is not only clean and elegant but also highly customizable. You can personalize the phone's experience through themes, icons, and even the layout of your home screen. OnePlus has also introduced new privacy features, including Privacy Locker for your sensitive files. This is all backed by regular security updates, ensuring your data stays safe. The OnePlus Open is engineered for all-day usage with its generous 4500 mAh battery. The phone is highly optimized to deliver efficient power management, easily lasting from morning to night even under heavy use. When it's time to recharge, the RepCharge 65T technology is a game changer. You can go from 0 to 58% in just 15 minutes, ensuring you will never threaten to an outlet for long. In just 30 minutes, you can get a full day's worth of power. This means more time enjoying your phone and less time waiting for it to charge. In conclusion, the OnePlus Open Phone isn't just a smartphone, it's a symphony of design, performance, innovation. Its stunning design, top-tier performance, and versatile camera system makes it an exceptional choice for anyone who values excellence in a smartphone. This phone strikes the perfect balance between style, performance, affordability. Whether you are a tech advocate or someone who appreciates a finely crafted device, the OnePlus Open Phone is an exceptional choice that will exceed your expectations. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.